Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Medium profile link. First, open your web browser and go to medium.com. It is essential to be logged into your account to proceed. If you are not already signed in, please do so now. This initial step ensures you can access all your personal content and settings on the platform. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Medium homepage. You will see a small circular icon, which represents your profile picture or a default avatar. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to various sections of your account, including your profile. After clicking your profile icon, a menu will appear. Find and click the option that says Profile. This action will take you directly to your personal Medium profile page, showcasing all your published stories and activity. Once on this page, look at the address bar at the very top of your browser window. Your unique profile link is displayed there. To copy your link, simply click on the URL in the address bar to highlight it completely. Then, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now, your Medium profile link is saved to your clipboard, ready for you to paste and share it anywhere you wish, like social media or email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.